Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from daytips.com, and in this video, I'm speaking about how you can run successful paid ads to your business website. So my very first tip to running successful paid ads, this is whether you're running them on Facebook, on Google, or any other platform, is to make sure that you think about sales copy. Now, sales copy is the words and phrases that you use to help entice your potential customers to take some sort of action, whether that be to click a button or to download a free guide or to book a free training or to actually make a purchase on your website. So you want to be thinking about sales copy at various different stages of your ad campaign. So first and foremost, you want to think about your sales copy with regards to your creative. So whenever you have an online ad, you have what's known as your creative, which is the ad itself. So that's the first thing that people see. That's what makes people make a decision whether or not they are going to click on your ad. So you want to make sure that your sales copy appeals to the person who is most likely to buy or be interested in your product or your service. So if you're struggling with creating sales copy and you're noticing that not a lot of people or not a lot of the relevant people are clicking on your online ads, then I'll leave some links in the description down below to some of my sales copy videos. And I will be putting out more videos on sales copy as well and how you can improve it. But you also want to make sure that you have great sales copy on your landing page as well. So once someone clicks on your creative, they've clicked on the ad that you've created, you also need to ensure that the page they land on, your landing page, whether that be a sales page or an opt-in page or whatever page you're sending people to, you need to make sure that the sales copy there is also enticing and appeals to the needs, wants, and desires of your ideal customers. You also want to make sure that there's some sort of consistency between the ad creative and your landing page. So if you're promising something in your creative, maybe you're saying 50% off when someone is looking at your creative and then they click and then they see 20% off, then that's an inconsistency that could drive down results with your paid ads. You want to ensure that people are seeing what they expect to see when they click on your landing page. And the best way to do this is to make sure you are as consistent as possible. Now, also, if you have some sort of email follow-up series as well, when someone either downloads a guide from you or makes a purchase from you, you want to make sure that you think about sales copy here, sales copy in your subject lines, and sales copy in your actual email too. Now, I've also done a bunch of videos on email marketing where I show you how you can improve your emails. So again, look in the description and I'll leave some relevant videos there for you to go and watch as well. So whenever I'm running ads, either for myself or on behalf of a client, the ads that perform extremely well are the ads that are being shown to our existing audiences. So if you already have an email list, if you're already getting visitors to your website, then you can actually use this as a targeting option when creating your online ads. Again, whether that be on Facebook, whether that be on YouTube, whether that be on any other platform, you want to make sure that you are using your existing audience, your email list, your website visitors, maybe even your followers as well in certain cases, as a targeting option. So what exactly does this mean? Well, for example, if you have an email list, which I'm constantly banging on about on this YouTube channel, the importance of building your email list, you can actually upload your mailing list to platforms such as Facebook, such as YouTube, such as Google. So when you're running your paid ads, you can actually specifically target the people who are already in your ecosystem, the people who are already on your database. Now, you might be thinking, Sam, what's the point of targeting people who are already in my database? Well, yes, they might be following you. Yes, they might be on your email list, but it might take someone 2, 3, 4, or even 5 times before they decide to become a customer of yours. But the fact that they are already in your ecosystem, it means when they see your ad on these various platforms, they're becoming even more familiar with the offer and they are more likely to make a purchase because they already know like, and trust your brand. This is also why it's super important for you to be building your audience as well as doing paid ads as well. So even if you are doing paid online ads, I highly recommend that you figure out what platforms your target customers are spending their time on. Are they on TikTok? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? You want to be creating organic content on these platforms as well, and optimizing your website for SEO so that you're driving organic traffic back to your website so you can retarget these visitors later on down the line to make for even more profitable ad campaigns. And this leads me on to my next point, which is to warm up your website visitors. So you might not already have an existing following for your business. Maybe you don't have an email list. Maybe you don't currently have traffic coming to your website on a monthly basis and you're starting your paid ads from scratch. Well, you need to remember that people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And if this is the first time they're seeing your brand, the chances of them buying are relatively slim. And you need to be aware of this. You need to have some sort of process in place to warm up your cold traffic, warm up your cold visitors. So that might mean, for example, sending people to a landing page. So creating an ad and sending people to a landing page and retargeting the people who visit that landing page. So you know, for example, that the people who visit the first landing page, because you are a new brand and you don't have an existing following, the people who see that first landing page, maybe that might convert at like 0.5%. And then you create another ad that retargets the people who have seen your first ad. So now they're less cold traffic because they've at least seen your offer and they've seen your brand once. And that second landing page might convert at 2, 3, or even 5 or even more of a percentage, because now you've got some data, you've got some traffic, and these people kind of are becoming more familiar with you. So that's one way that you can actually warm up your traffic. You might also want to send people initially to a lead magnet where you give something away of value for free in return for a name and an email address. And you can retarget people not just with retargeting ads, but also through email marketing as well. And like I mentioned, I've got loads of videos on email marketing, and I'll leave some of those videos in the description down below as well. So make sure you go and check the description box before you click away from this video, so you can find related information that can also help you with your online ads. I also highly recommend you guys downloading the formula. This is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. I teach you about search engine optimization, how to drive free traffic to your website, paid traffic strategies, email marketing, and it's all for free. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I'll also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So make sure you click the link, go and download your free copy of the formula, and do let me know if you have any questions on this video by leaving it in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.